Hello all. In this video, we will discuss about pointers. So pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable as its values. A pointer variable points to a data type of same type, like integer, float. So we can check with one example. Suppose we have one variable int x that value is 10. Then we need to just print the value of x. So here we can tell value of x, then we can give percentage d, here we can give x, right? Here we can put one new line also. Next we want to print the address of x. So here we can tell printf address of x, that we can tell like percentage p, we can tell and x. After p we can put new line. So suppose x is equal to 10, that value print here, and here it will print the address of x. We can just run this code. See, the value of x equal to 10. So address of x like some hexadecimal value. So the pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of another variable. So pointer will point to the address of another variable. So how we can declare one pointer variable? We can tell data type asterisk pointer variable. So we can tell like int, we can tell star p, like this also we can tell, or we can tell int space star p. So this is p is a pointer value that will contain the address of another integer data type. So suppose this is int star p. Then we need to initialize p is equal to address of x. So pointer will contain the address of another data type, right? So p is equal to and x. So we need to print the value of p. Value of p. If p means that is p, right? So this also contains the address of x only, right? We will run this. See, we are getting address only, right? So through this address, we will get the address, the value of x. So p will contains the address of x, right? So what is the value of this address? The value is integer x equal to 10, right? So like this, copy this. The value of x percentage d, we need to get the value through this pointer. So here we can tell the dereferencing pointer star e. So this will contain the value of x. We will run this. See, we are getting 10. So x is equal to 10. Through the pointer also we can access that 10. Okay. So a pointer variable points to a data type of the same type only. Suppose here we are given x is equal to 10. So the p will contain only the integer data types only. Suppose here is float. This is a different data type, right? That value will not contain in integer pointer. So we will run this, we will get see assignment to int star from incompatible pointer float. Okay, so this will not possible. So suppose this is an integer value, right? So now we are pointing to a float pointer. We are declaring just a float type. Then we will run. Then also we will get error. So this also will not possible. So a pointer variable points to a data type of the same type only. Okay. Now suppose we are changing the value x equal to 50. So x is equal to 50 means the value changed, right? So now we will run the pointer value also. It is pointing to the address of x, right? So that value also will change. So he see value of x is equal to 15, and here value of x we are getting through pointer only. See star p, that also 15 only. This we can access like this only. And x, we will run this. See the value is same. Okay. So we are changing the value of x, right? So like this, we can change the value. Through pointer also, we can change the value. How we can do that? We can tell p is equal to, we can tell. No, right? P means it will contains the address only, right? So here we are just run this, it will come error only. See, it will throw error. So we can change the value through pointer variable. Star p is equal to 20. Now we will run. No, that is here we missed that. Okay, now we will run. See, the address are same. Now value of x also changed through the pointer, right? Star p is equal to 20. Okay, these are the basics of pointer. Okay, thanks for watching.